Hi everyone, as you can see, congratulations, your app has been generated to the Google Play production access. So before that we need to go some steps for your apply the production to for your coin apps is there. So just we will going to click on this, go. So it is going to redirect to your Play console and it's take us to the directly app. So you can see there is a thing. Congratulations, you have been granted for the Google Play production access. So just there is a few tasks we need to do. Just click on a task and it should be asking for the countries, from which country or religion you want to select this. So I want to publish for the all countries. Just click on all and save it. Not now, no need to go overview right now, and just go back again, click on here again. We should go here. You make sure you just click on the create, publish and release only you have to click. So first section we have been completed. So the second section is there, please create a new release. So when first we are releasing, we have released version 1. So here we need to release our version 2 here now. So we need to update the version 2 app. So I already built the version 2 app. So this is a version 2 app I already have been built. So just click it on. Let's wait for to update the app over here. In this you no need to add your key store or anything, just you have to build with your key store, whichever previous store which you have been used for the load time. So same thing you have to go with that and just click here and upload it. So it will going to be live. I mean it will going to be uploaded here. After the upload you have to just release it, this app. Again it will be go in the review and then it will be going to be live. So as you can see, there is a version 2 have been uploaded here. So I will copy here previous one only. So I copied the note and click on next. There is a no, this is a normal warnings are there, it's not been a big deal. Just save it, then go for overview and send the changes for the review. Send the review. Okay, as you can see, we have been completed our apps, the two tasks, and we have already been released. So it will be going to be a production right now. So our production now our app is going to be a production overview. So as we have been already published is, if automatically you want your app to be go live, then you have to click on this. And this is a manual section we have kept. So we'll going to click either whenever app has been live, so it will going to be on the production. So we are just clicking on this and just go back. So it's take few minutes, 1 day or 2 days time, and then it will be go your app will be going for the live. So that's it. So as you can see, our app has been reviewed right now. So it's take 1 or 2 days, so it will going to be live. So if regarding that, if you have any doubts, let us know. We will going to help you out. Most of people has been facing a problem when they are most of people thinking that after this only our app will be going to be live. No, it will be not like that. So right now see, there is a app is not been found because the thing is, because it's still in the review. As you can see, after the review is completed, your app will be going to live. It's take 1 or 2 days time, then it will be going to be live. Okay, I hope you like our video. If you need a 20 tester service, just click on reset infotech, go in our website and just click on a 20 tester service. Here you can see our 20 tester services also. If you want a 20 tester service, let us know, or you can sign up here and you will have our WhatsApp number also here. You can contact us. I hope you like our work and videos. If you really feel that it is helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.